All right, what's up everyone? My name is Manjeet Singh and welcome to the another episode of Deskside Chat. Today we are going to talk about Continual Improvement Management. What is that Continual Improvement Management? Well, actually, let's look at this clip. Hey Matt,
Hey Manjeet.
what's happening here?
It's my birthday soon and I'm trying to do a push-up.
Oh, that's cool. You know what? Hang on, you're doing it wrong.
Oh, really?
So let's apply continuous improvement here. We have to build the shoulder strength first so you can lift up properly, and we have to build the core strength. Okay, you want to do that?
Sounds good.
All right, come on.
Let's go.
Okay, so what we saw here is Matt had this goal of doing one push-up for his birthday, but we identified that he had lack of shoulder strength and the core strength. So we worked on continuously building that by doing wall push-up and the bench push-up and finally the floor push-up. So you can apply the same principle and same mindset to improve your business processes and services, find out the bottlenecks, reduce the waste, and then make those tiny changes or the big changes to show the impact and the improvement in your organization. As you saw, the continuous improvement is a concept to identify improvement across your business processes and function. Always trying to look for ways to improve your business processes, business function, and the business operations. And the fundamental to this approach is looking for ways to improve, whether it's a small improvement or a big improvement, and doing it over a period of time in a consistent basis. Who is responsible for doing this improvement and what are some of the challenges? I think this is an interesting question because ultimately everybody should participate in this. As an example, IT agent who work on the processes day in, day out, what areas can be improved where we have the process bottlenecks or the pain point. And similarly, the process owners and the process managers should do the same. So many organizations are finding it very useful to bring in a CSI manager on board, Continual Service Improvement Manager, or building a CSI team that can track the progress, the operation, and the value achieved from these initiatives. All right, so it's time for some community questions. So the first question I'm seeing here is, how can my organization support improvement initiative? I think one of the most important aspects is you need a great tool like ServiceNow Continual Improvement app that we released in London, because it helps in bringing people, data, and processes together into one place by providing transparency to everybody in the organization. It's a value-driven approach that makes it easier to get approval from the management. Okay, so the next question is how to start, spread, and sustain the CI culture. I think this is a great question because it's not just about installing the app and having a good tool. It's very important that you spread it out across the organization, involve everybody from both the top down, from starting with your managements and the process owners and the managers, and the bottom up, all the fulfillers and agents that works with the processing in day in, day out. And then you start small, take a KPI-based approach so that everybody has transparency, everybody has visibility into what we are improving. So the last question we have is, how can I try this app and what's in it for me as an individual? So you can get this app as part of ITSM Professional's queue. Once you have it, slowly roll it out for one process and then bring it onto your production. And then you can show your engagement and leadership by giving your improvement ideas and feedback into the app. I think the most employee can benefit from the CIM app because you get the full transparency into what the idea that you submitted, show the alignment with the business goals, and track the progress throughout the life cycle and showing the value achieved in the end. That's it for today. Thanks for joining us. If you have more questions about continual improvement management, you can leave them down below in the comment section, or you can check out our podcast, our community, and the product docs. Thank you all. See you next time.